Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Ramika's Diary. Today we're going to be seeing some grammar in CBSE Class 8, Chapter 5, the pronoun. So this is the part 2 of this chapter. So this is the last part. In this video, we'll be covering worksheet. So let's get into the video. So section 1, identifying pronouns and their cases. So personal pronouns. Underline the pronoun in each sentence and state its type. So subject or object or possessive. So she is reading a book. So she. So she is the pronoun. And it's the subject. Ram helped me. So here me is the pronoun. And it's the object. This pen is mine. So mine is the pronoun. Type is possessive. We gave the ball to them. So them is the pronoun. Type is object. Our school is very old. So hint, does it stand alone or come before a noun? It came before a noun. So here the type is possessive. If R stands alone, then you can write it's a subject. But there's a noun beside R. So like whose school is it? It's our school. So that's why it's possessive. Choose the correct pronoun to complete each sentence. So he or him and I are going to the park. So he. Between you and I or me, this is a secret. So me is the answer because between is a preposition. So this part should be in objective case. So that's why I picked me. Next, my sister is taller than I or me. You should pick I. The team won its or their game easily. The team acted as one unit. So here the team acted as one unit. So we had to write its. Section 2, different types of pronouns. So fill in the blanks with the correct demonstrative pronoun. So like this, these, that, or those. Look at the beautiful flower near you. This is my favorite. So in this question, they mentioned near. So if it's near, you have to use this or these. If it's far away from you, you have to use that or those. These two come for plural form. These two come for singular form. So here it's near you and it's a singular noun since it just said flower. So you have to write this. Dash are the mountains we saw from far away, pointing to distant mountains. So those is the answer. Please hand me dash book on the table right next to you. So that. Choose the best interrogative pronoun to ask the question. Who or what is your name? What is your name? Who or which car is parked outside, the red one or the blue one? So it's an option. So you have to write which. So whom or who did you meet at the party? Who did you meet at the party? Complete the sentences with the correct reflexive or emphatic or reciprocal pronoun. I taught Dash to play the guitar. So answer is myself. The two friends helped Dash during the exam. Each other. during the exam. So the answer is each other. Here the answer is myself. Next, the students prepared the presentation. So to add emphasis. So the answer is themselves. Section 3. Relative pronouns. Fill in the blanks with the best relative pronouns. So who, whom, whose, which, that. This is the girl who solved the puzzle. Second question. The dog Dash was barking loudly. Who wake me up? So the dog, which was barking loudly, woke me up. He is the man whom I spoke to yesterday. This is the house that has a red door. That's the student whose grades are always excellent. So section 4, tricky pronoun uses. Choose the correct option. It is or it is me important to stay hydrated. So it is. My sister is a great swimmer and her or she often wins competitions. She. Everyone in the class brought his or her or their own supplies. Consider common modern usage. So remember, there was a note that in these days they use their. B. Correct the pronoun error in each sentence. I, you, and him are going to the fair. So it should be corrected as you, he, and I are going to the fair. So nobody was there but I. So you should write nobody was there but me. Next, each of the boys had their own book. So each of the boys have his own book. Okay friends, I hope you guys tried this at home with me, and if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.